In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy a row in Excel. Copying a row in Excel is a simple task, but it is an important one because it can save time and help you keep your data organized. Whether you are duplicating headings, reusing formulas, or moving a full line of information to another part of your worksheet, the process is quick once you know where to click. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the row that you want to copy. A row runs horizontally across the sheet, and each one is identified by a number on the left side. Move your cursor to that row number and click it once. This will highlight the entire row, so Excel knows that you want to work with all of the cells in that line instead of just one individual cell. Once the row is selected, copy it using your preferred method. You can right-click the highlighted row and choose Copy from the menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on a Mac. After you do that, Excel will usually place a moving border around the selected row, which lets you know the content has been copied. Next, decide where you want the copied row to go. Click the row number below where you want the new row to appear. This part is important because Excel will place the copied content in relation to the row you select. If you want to insert the copied row between existing rows, make sure you choose the correct destination before pasting. Now paste the row. You can right-click and choose Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac. If needed, you can also use Insert options in Excel to place the copied row without replacing existing content. This is especially useful when you are working in a larger spreadsheet and want to keep everything in the correct order. As a helpful tip, always take a quick look at the pasted row to make sure formulas, formatting, and values appear the way you expected. In some cases, Excel may adjust cell references automatically, especially if the row includes formulas. That covers everything you need to know.